Today is a special day. It is Mia's birthday.
I am so excited!
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
You are 6 years old today.
Happy birthday, Mia! Thank you, Max.
Grace is in the kitchen. She is baking a birthday cake.
The cake smells delicious.
Can I help, Mom?
Yes. Put the candles on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles. 1 for each year.
John is decorating the living room. Come and help me, Max.
I want what the instead.
Hang this banner, please.
It says, Happy birthday, Mia. It looks so beautiful.
Our home.
Looks wonderful today. The guests arrive at noon.
Welcome. I'm so glad you're here.
Everyone brings a gift.
Thank you for coming.
Please come inside, everyone.
Welcome to our home. It is time for cake.
Close your eyes, Mia.
Okay, Mom.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Happy birthday to you.
I will make a wish now. Blow the candles, Mia.
Mia blows out all 6 candles.
I made a wish.
What did you wish for?
It is a secret, Mom.
Let's eat the cake now!
Yay! I love birthday cake!
The family eats cake together.
Yummy cake.
It is delicious.
The best part,
Yeah.
they laugh and sing songs. It is a perfect birthday.
This is my best birthday ever.
We love you so much, Mia.
Happy birthday, our sweet girl.
Same time next year.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Happy birthday, me.